All right, y'all. This is my 2024 F-150 XLT. And as you may know, the key fob on some models has an automatic tailgate button where if you push twice, it'll drop the tailgate automatically. There's also a button inside the dash that does that. And I've actually discovered that I use this a lot. My last truck, 2020 Toyota Tacoma, had a dampered tailgate, but no automatic tailgate. And I find this to be actually quite useful. I haul a lot of things in the bed of my truck a lot, so it's one of the features I like a lot. But unfortunately, it has stopped working. I've had this truck for about 2 weeks, and the first couple times I've done it, it worked fine. And I do know what the problem is, but I just want to demonstrate that I'm on a decline right now, and if I push the button twice, it'll drop the tailgate. But if I'm on flat ground, it'll only unlock the tailgate. It won't drop it. Disregard those boxes in there. I gotta dump that. And I also need to get a spray-in bed liner because this looks naked like this. Also, another complaint while we're at it. There's no wheel well liners in the rear of these trucks. So from the side, it looks unfinished. And in the back, it looks naked. So those are two things I'm going to be doing soon. But anyways, as you can see here, when you close the tailgate, it rests on these two rubber bumpers. So this is supposed to act as, I suppose, a spring. So if you close the tailgate, and then it should rest against this and have enough pressure that when you push the button, it'll pop the tailgate open. But like I said, on flat ground, it doesn't have enough pressure. I don't know what changed. It was working perfect the first few times. But if I close the tailgate on flat ground and I push the button, and I just push the smallest amount of pressure on this bumper, it'll pop open no problem. So what I'm going to do is I got some double-sided tape here. It's black, so it'll blend in. You'll never even notice it. And I'm just going to push this up and put a couple pieces in there. It'll be hidden. No one will ever know it's there. And it should give just enough pressure to pop that tailgate open on flat ground. But let me put it on flat ground and just show that it doesn't work. All right. According to the off-road status, it's as flat as it's gonna get. Here's that button from the dash or from the cab to lower the tailgate. But here we go. Here we go. Let me show you. Here we go. It's maybe not perfectly flat, but whatever. See what I'm talking about? It popped it, but it's just not enough force from those bumpers to drop the tailgate. Let me do it again. I'll show you with the smallest amount of pressure. Just touching it. It just needs a little bit. So 1 or 2 pieces of this double-sided tape should take care of that, no problem. I'll do it and get back to you. All right then, I'm back. So I tried 2 pieces, that didn't work. I tried 3 pieces, that didn't work. Let's try 4. These are each about 1 inch long. If you're looking close at it, you notice it's not beautiful, but I don't care. No one's gonna be looking that close. No one but me and y'all are gonna know what's there. So let's just see if that works. 4 pieces. Tailgate closes fine. Let's do it. Hey! 4 pieces of that double-sided tape. Took care of business. Let's try it again. Ooh, it works again. Nice. And this stuff's like $9 something, $10 maybe. So if I ever need to put another piece in there, that's fine. The tailgate still closes perfectly, so it's not a problem there. And these don't stick good enough. These rubber pieces don't stick to the tape good enough. You can always just peel it back and add another piece, so that's cool. I mean, maybe they sell. I really don't understand why this wouldn't work more than the first few times. It closes right against this piece, so it just needs a little more pressure right there. Kind of an oversight on Ford's part, but it's not a problem where I need to take it back as a warranty claim or something. It's a simple fix, $10 fix, so I'm cool with it. Let's try to turn around and go down this hill and see if it'll open at a incline or decline. Let's try it. All right. It may not seem like much from your view, but it feels like I'm pretty well at a decline. It shows I'm at about 3% tilt, so let's try it. Oh yeah. From my view, that's pretty good decline right there. If this works, then I'll be happy. Not quite. But you know what? When am I going to be parked like this and need to use that automatic tailgate anyway? I could put another piece, but as long as it works on flat ground, that's where I usually use it. I'm not going to be out here working on the land and need to push a button like that. So I'll just lower it myself, or I already have it lowered when I'm loading stuff, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, simple fix. 4 pieces of double-sided tape stuffed behind each of these rubber bumpers, and it's an automatic tailgate again. Thanks for watching.